Mastering contractions in negative past perfect continuous sentences. Hello language learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into an important aspect of English language learning. We'll be focusing on the past perfect continuous tense, specifically on negative sentences. More importantly, we'll learn how to use contractions in these negative sentences. Before we delve into contractions, let's first quickly recap what past perfect continuous tense is. This tense is used to indicate that an action began in the past and continued up until another time in the past. The sentence structure is subject plus had plus been plus verb ing. For example, they had been playing soccer for an hour before it started raining. Here, the action of playing soccer started in the past and continued until another past event, the start of the rain. When we turn the sentence into the negative form, we add not between had and been. The structure becomes subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb ing. For instance, if we want to turn our previous example into a negative sentence, it becomes they had not been playing soccer for an hour before it started raining. This indicates that the action of playing soccer did not happen in the past. To make your English sound more natural and fluent, we often use contractions. Contractions are a way of shortening words by omitting certain letters and sounds. In the case of negative sentences in past perfect continuous tense, we contract had not to hadn't. So, our previous negative sentence now becomes they hadn't been playing soccer for an hour before it started raining. Notice that the meaning of the sentence remains the same, but it sounds more natural and is quicker to say. Now it's time for practice. Here are some more examples to solidify your understanding. 1. She had not been waiting for long becomes she hadn't been waiting for long. 2. We had not been living in London before we moved to Paris. Turns into we hadn't been living in London before we moved to Paris. 3. You had not been studying for the test, had you? Transforms to you hadn't been studying for the test, had you? And that wraps up our lesson for today. Remember, using contractions in your English, especially in past perfect continuous tense negative sentences, can make your speech or writing sound more natural. So, keep practicing and soon, it will come naturally to you. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy learning!